Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly we should turn our device off by holding down power key. By holding power key plus volume up. Then you slide power off. And after device turns off completely, what you will have to do is to hold down a combination of keys, power key plus volume up, at the same time like this. After the screen turns on and you can see XIAOMI logo on the screen, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you can just operate. And you have such options as reboot, wipe data, and connect with me assistant. So when you're done using recovery mode, if you want to quit it, just select reboot, then reboot to system, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.